Hi, I'm Mary Gannon, Managing Editor with Fluid Power World, and I'm here talking with Pat Byce from Canfield Connector. Welcome, Pat, and give us the lowdown on what you brought with you today.
Thanks for having me, Mary. Here is one of our newest and most innovative product lines, the Series 5K DIN solenoid valve connector. Featuring an all-molded cord assembly, the rugged one-piece design is far better for environmental integrity than field wire solenoid valve connectors.
So this solenoid valve connector, is it for use with hydraulic or pneumatic valves?
It's primarily used with hydraulic valves, so it's compatible with oils, machining process fluids, and cleaning agents. And it complements two of our most popular product lines, the 5J and 5F. The difference is that the 5K is offered without the integrated gasket design to promote compatibility with our MCCR multiple Control Connector Receptacle and ILW series, Interposed Lighted Wafer.
Hydraulics usually require rugged components. How is this connector rated?
The connector housing is made from rugged yet flexible polyurethane. It boasts an IP67 NEMA 6 rating, protection from dust and water immersion when the gasket is applied.
So what really sets this connector apart from others, Pat?
The cord configuration. The low-profile straight-line interfaced cord configuration allows for installation in many limited space applications. And most importantly, the Series 5K, as well as the 5F and 5J, are the only molded valve connectors in the industry that feature a hard usage cord option in any length required, bidirectional indicator lights, and load suppression such as our Series 5J.
I think you call these series plug and play too, right, Pat? Meaning they're quick and easy to install. Where can we find more information on the Series 5K DIN valve connector?
For more information, go to canfieldconnector.com.
And as always, visit fluidpowerworld.com for more videos. Thanks for watching.